Today we are off to Sandpoint. It's basically based around Somerset, and I thought just to have a trip down there, which is worth going. Quite bored actually going in the city and stuff like this, so it's better to just go out a bit and just vlog. Alright folks, we are off to another adventure that I thought I should go. It's been a little while since I have actually been out the city, really. And just when you are in the city, you just get bored, going around looking at high-rise buildings. It's sometimes good to go out to some national park. Yeah, I thought just to make a trip down somewhere near the beach. I'm only about probably 40 minutes away from the beach anyway, and it's just worthwhile making a trip. Sometimes you get bored on the weekend, staying indoors and playing games or whatever you want to do, or fitness. I do sometimes running on a Saturday morning and stuff, but I skipped the fitness today, but I shouldn't do. Yeah, and it's just a little trip down the beach and stuff. Plus, recently, everything's gone back to normal, and you were a bit of you got used to that lockdown. Also, there was more to do in the lockdown period than now. So obviously you have to go back to work and other commitments you got. It's just worthwhile making a trip around these locations. That's where I used to normally go, somewhere quiet, getting out of the city, going to a countryside or a location that is sort of hidden. Especially in the Somerset area, in UK, you get a lot of national parks. There are a lot of stuff to do, a lot of stuff that I haven't actually done in a little while, since I haven't even explored a lot of these destinations.
Right, so, just picked up a...
What did you get?
Just a more standard milk chai time.
Yeah, just got to Sandpoint. I'm quite lost out here. I'm not quite sure which way do I need to go, but I'm just following the path where I need to. It's probably one of the last sort of ends of the UK. Well, it's not the end of it, but it is the sort of Atlantic Ocean that side. But yeah, you can see it from here. I haven't personally been around here. I have seen a lot of people actually go around this side, and yeah, it's not a bad location to actually be in. What it was, I was going to come here early on, but I never had an ND filter. So now that I got one, I'm just using it right now on the Canon USR. I'm not even quite sure where we need to go, but there's all rocks and stuff. Well, if I'm down here, let's go and just explore what's going on around here. But yeah, not a bad place to chill out. Yeah, the rocks do actually look quite nice, especially standing out here in the open air, fresh air, getting away from those cities, polluted cities. But yeah, it feels nice having a day out and just chilling out. There are a lot of national parks that we could visit, but people out here are just relaxed in a corner. There is a busy beach around here, like Weston-super-Mare it's called. It's just down the bottom, but yeah, it's mostly touristy and there's a lot of people there. Sand, just a typical beach. Apart from Cornwall, that's probably the nicest place I reckon in the UK. But a bit like the Indian Ocean, where I've been, the Maldives and Sri Lanka, it's just really, really nice out there. Yeah, a place like Sri Lanka and the Maldives, that's probably the best place that I've been to, and one of the amazing sort of beaches that you will ever visit. Obviously you got Caribbean and Pacific Ocean, that's probably one of them. But yeah, Today's a great day. Well, yeah, my wife, she's just sitting right at the back actually, but yeah. And just, she had sandals on, but she can't walk on these rocks. I told her not to wear sandals. I told her to wear normal trainers, which she could just step on these big rocks. It's just a bit complicated, you see. It's time to leave the place now. So we had a bit of enjoyment, especially in a quiet location like this. Time to make our move to the next destination, which is climbing up the rocks, up the path, and let's see what else is there waiting for us. Hopefully we can discover something a bit better. Alright, see you up there. Just trekking up now on the staircase at the Sand Point, the National Trust. Alright, just climbing up. And what a mission this is, especially going up and down. It's been a little while since I actually climbed up. I think the last time I think it was really steep was in Sri Lanka. Wasps and stuff, so we have to be really careful what we're doing. Now that we have almost reached. So what do you think? We reached right at the top then?
It's really nice. It's really windy though. It's messed up my hair. And I feel like I shouldn't have wore lip gloss because my hair's sticking to my lips. I won't be doing that again.
Yeah. So we
really
reached,
bright out here.
It is quite bright. We reached to the point so where we can look at the views and probably stick around a bit and then go home. So the journey just carries on and on, but what can we do? We have to make our move. I had great fun filming. It was a great day. I left late, probably about 1 o'clock. Got here in 40 minutes and started filming. I didn't have any plans for filming, but I just thought it's better I'll just take my camera. It's been a little while since I actually filmed and I love filming. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this series of vlogs, and I hope to see you back with another episode of another adventure. Who knows where I might be. Thanks guys, see ya.